In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. So take your yarn and put the yarn tail, which is the cut off piece of the yarn, over to the right. Now pick that up and then fold the yarn over itself. Now we're going to take the right side of the loop that you just made and fold the yarn over itself again. So we're flipping that loop over so that the rest of the yarn is somewhere vaguely in the middle of that loop. Now we're going to pick up that yarn that's in the middle of the loop and then pull on the yarn tail and the rest of the yarn that is attached to the ball until we have a knot. And it doesn't matter how big this loop is. The great thing about a slip knot is it's totally adjustable. Once you have a slip knot, usually what you want to do is get that on your hook. So if you're right-handed, you want that knot to be to the left of your hook. And if you're left-handed, you want that knot to be to the right of your hook. The important thing is you adjust that loop by pulling on the yarn that's connected to the yarn ball until the loop is slightly bigger than the tip of your hook. And you can double check that it's a good size by seeing if you can easily take the whole hook out of this loop. If it's too tight, don't worry. Just pull your hook away from the piece, pull down on that slip knot and pull the hook away to make that loop bigger.